The P0494 code in Peugeot or Citroen vehicles tells you about the problem with the cooling fan relay. This is the part with the resistor and fusible link on it. In all the cars, it was located behind the front bumper, which was a pain to get to, and also it was sometimes attacked by water. So in later models, starting in about 2012-2014, Peugeot moved this relay under the bonnet. For example, in the Peugeot 208, the relay is located behind this intake pipe near the 12-volt battery, and it is relatively easy to get to. So the P0494 code means that the cooling fan will not work at its first speed. Also, the cooling system goes to a certain type of limp mode and sets the thermostat open at all times to avoid overheating. So you get a long engine warm-up time, worse fuel economy, and also the AC will not work. The AC compressor will just not turn on under these conditions. So basically, this is a DIY repair. You just need to buy the cooling fan relay for your modeling year, locate and replace it. Now, you may find the information on the internet that it's not the entire relay that goes bad, but the thermo-fuse, and you can replace it and put the old relay back. According to what I see, such a repair will not last long, and the new fuse will be blown in a month or two. The relay will burn the fuse when there are problems with the relay or when there are issues with the fan. In older cars, this problem happened very often in winter after a car wash, when the fan was full of water, which eventually froze in its housing, and when the system tried to turn on the fan, it failed, and the relay decided to die immediately. In newer cars, the problem is almost always with the relay itself being affected by water or overheated, so replacing the relay is the way to go in most cases. Instead of buying this part directly from Peugeot, you may get one from independent sellers or even from eBay for something like 20-30 euros a pound and replace it on your own. There is just a Torx bolt and a connector in the thing.